Hi everyone, welcome to LDI at the Rosco booth. My name is Emily Stadoulis. I am a senior account rep for Rosco, and I am here today to introduce everyone to our DMG Octa kit. The DMG units are very small but very robust pocket lights that allow you to configure lighting in a variety of configurations. So behind the Rosco DMG technology, we have a proprietary set of 6 LEDs of broad gamut full spectrum color. And these allow you to get to a lot more true colors for both live entertainment as well as on-camera work for anyone who is also filming any of your performance or events. The DMG units are really convenient size that allow you to put these unique fixtures anywhere on set, hide them in for footlights, or use them for set prop pieces, or even build them into scenic elements on stage. All the DMG units and the kits ship with a wide variety of different magnetic attachments that allow you to modify the dashes really quickly and easily right out of the gate. So you have a flat diffuser panel. You also have this really great dome diffuser that gives you a really nice, beautiful wrap, especially for cell phone gags, laptop gags on camera. And then we also have egg crate attachments as well to help redirect that light where you need it to be on stage. In addition to having a lot of different ways to modify the lights, you have a lot of different ways that you can configure these lights from Rosco or get creative and figure out your own ways. So each of the lights have a variety of different attachment points on the back, underneath, or on the side that allow you to either use third-party accessories or things like our included magnet attachment to be able to do a wide variety of different really fast and easy mounting options if you're working for events, for weddings, for parties, things like that, and you just need to stick a little light somewhere. We also include a 4-bank option if you really need a lot of punch that allows you to group the lights together and attach them together for a 1 foot by 1 foot square of light. These lights can be controlled in a variety of ways. So if you are using them individually, you can control them manually on the back. If you're grouping them together, controlling a large amount, and you need to be up and running very quickly, you can access our fixture control through our free MyMix app. And with the MyMix app, you then have the ability to access a wide variety of different color points. So you have full range of color, different types of effects, and of course we have integrated DMX that allows you to easily control many fixtures remotely if you're working on a large stage application. One of my absolute favorite ways to control the DMG units is with our color picker through our app. So with the color picker, this is really helpful for corporate clients or where you're working with costume designers, scenic designers. I can come in and I can take a picture or pull an existing picture that maybe a corporate client has sent me. I can take a picture of other colors and then use this picture or reference photo as a color picker to send that light directly to my fixture. From there, I can save that. I have my full menu list here of job folders, file folders of matching colors. So now I can take these colors anywhere with me and upload them to many different lights. So we're really excited to introduce the DMG Octa kit. You can buy the DMG as single units, as 4 quad units, or in our new 8-light Octa charging case that allows you to have 8 different fixtures and charge all from a single point, an umbilical. Thank you so much for joining us at the Rosco booth at LDI. If you'd like to find out more about the DMG range, please visit our website at www.rosco.com.